All right, in this video, we're going to take a closer look at how you upgrade from the free version of Forward.io to one of the paid tiers. So let's say you're going along, you're accomplishing your tasks, you're getting points for all of your tasks, but then you hit this point where you can no longer see the next task you need to do. That's because you have now exhausted all of the tasks that we assigned you for the 30-day plan. Even if it took you less time than 30 days or it took you more time, it was based on the time availability that you told us that you had. So you're going to click upgrade to unlock, and it's going to give you two different options. So you could upgrade to the author plan, which is $9 a month, or you could upgrade to Author Pro, which is $19 a month. So let's walk through the differences between these two. You might recall that the free plan gives you up to 2 titles that you can generate 30-day plans for. The Author account lets you have 90 days. It gives you 90 days worth of tasks for one active book, and then you get to have unlimited 30-day plans. So if you want to have 2 books on there, 3 books on there, 4 books, however many, you can have as many 30-day plans as you want. And then you can move your 90-day plan to a new book every single month if you want to. So let's say that you've got a 90-day plan for book A, but you're really happy with the progress there, and now you want to shift your attention to a different book. You can move your 90-day access to that other book, but again, you can only do it one time a month. So Author Pro gives you 90-day plans on as many book titles as you want. So this is really great if you are a serial author who has a new book coming out every 6 to 9 months. This is also great if you have a backlist already going before you signed up for Forward.io and you want to have 90-day plans for each of those titles in your backlist. There's a lot of different reasons you might want Author Pro if you need those 90-day plans for more than one book. So those are the 2 different options that you have. I'm going to click on Get Author for now so you can see how that works. It's very, very simple. Everything is done through Stripe. There's not a whole lot of thinking or work involved here. You literally just go through the process of making sure you've got the right email on there, putting in your card information, and then you subscribe. That's it. That's all you got to do. And then once Stripe has processed your payment, you're going to be taken back to the book profile that you upgraded from so that now you can see all of your tasks unlocked for the full 90 days. And then if you ever need to update your subscription, you can go back down to the free version if you want to by clicking Manage Billing. I'll show you how that works. So I click Manage Billing, and then I can cancel the subscription and it will automatically take me back to the free version. But again, you'll only be able to see the 30 days worth of tasks for 2 titles. So it will revert you to that state. Or if you decide you need to upgrade to Author Pro, it's even easier than what you just did through Stripe. Literally all you have to do is click that and boom, you're automatically moved up to Author Pro for your next billing cycle. Super, super easy. So yeah, that's how you upgrade to either Author or Author Pro so that you can have full access to the 90-day plans for either one book on Author or unlimited books on Author Pro. That way you can confidently keep moving your book forward.